What is up, guys? Welcome to another edition of Market Marauders. Being in the market, one trade at a time. Being Market Marauders investment channel helps you to find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe. All right, so today I'll be giving you an update of my portfolio. So I know a lot of people have been saying, what trades do you make? What are you doing trading wise? So I'm just going to be showing you all my portfolio that I have and just showing you, I guess, a week by week basis on some of the things that I'm trading, some of the moves that I'm making, and some reasons why I'm making those trades. So on here, if you'll see, I am down pretty significantly on here. So yes, losses do happen. If you talk to any trader who's like, I don't lose any money, it's probably not true. Nobody's 100% every time. But this is just the way it goes trading wise. So I don't really have any catalyst for how much money I usually put into here. So that's kind of one question that I can answer on there. Risk management. I try to do some risk management on the account as well. But let me jump into the ones that I have on here. So for options, I have AAL, which is for American Airlines. I thought that they were going to go up when the stimulus was passed, but it seems like they kind of went a little sideways. There was money in the stimulus for the airlines, but it may not just have caught on. This is for the 15th. All these are for the 15th, by the way, of January. So they have one more week after this week to be executed, and we'll see how they go. So I'll try to give an update on how they go. We have INO on here. That was based off the news that they had their INO 4800 that came out. So I had a video talking about that, as well as Love on here. So Love and AL were both in the airline industry moves that I tried to make on here. I think they definitely still have potential to go up, but we'll have to see some more press releases and updates from these companies that would be catalyst for them going up. Next, we have Palantir. I got one contract. So if you're not familiar with Robinhood, or if you like to sign up for Robinhood, I have a link down below where you can sign up for Robinhood. I have 7 buys. So on this buy, these are basically calls. So 7 calls for AL, 2 calls for INO, and 5 calls for Love, which is Southwest. Then I have 1 call for Palantir. I think Palantir in general, as a long-term play, is a fantastic company. Now it moves. It depends on the week when it moves different ways. Most of them being surrounded by the press releases that come out from the company. But I think as far as long-term plays, I think it's a fantastic company. I like what they do. I understand what they do business-wise. So that's one thing as well. Try to go with that company that you understand what they actually do. And understand the business model, because some of them, you just jumping or dumping money into something that you don't understand, then you would not understand when to exit or when to enter a trade. So doing due diligence on the company definitely helps tremendously. Then on here I have 17 buys for $1,200 strike price for Tesla. So I'm currently down on this one as well, but I'm looking for this to potentially go up. This catalyst for this one was basically the delivery numbers were going to come out, as well as some other financial information coming out for the company. So hopefully it'll turn around and rally back up. I jumped into this one, I guess, 2 weeks ago, so 2 weeks prior to this one, because of those catalysts that were coming out, and the stock's been going up pretty significantly since then. My buying power on here, so if you're not familiar with buying power, it's basically how much money or cash you have stocked up to buy. So I got currently $761.73 that I'm going to be looking to place on some more trades for next week. So I got my eyes out on NEO since they had their delivery numbers, Amazon, and I may jump into some Bitcoin since it came out. So as far as this is concerned, I may not use this account to do crypto, but as far as options and penny stocks are concerned, I have a couple that I have my eye on, and I'll give you all updates on those when they actually come out. So hopefully this helps some people out there, showing you the different trades that are out there that are being made or that I am making. No, I'm not 100% positive trader. every single day. If we see on here, that's not 100% every single day, but these are different trades that I am making, and hopefully some of them will be positive. So I'm going to try to use some risk management, not splurge this whole 761. If you all want to, you all can track the trades that I'm making. I know just about everyone probably has this, at least part of this, that they can put into their account, thanks to that stimulus that came out. But you can begin with any amount, and then begin to trade that. If you want to follow the trades that I'm making, that's fine with me. But if you want to, trade on your own, you could see how this is actually beginning. So good luck to everybody out there trading, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.